In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a for loop in Office scripts. In our VBA, which is my background, a basic for loop is basically you determine what the workbook that you're working on, and then you determine the last row, and then you do a for loop. So I'm going for 4, which is the row number, uh, equals 2 because we have headings to last row, and then you loop through and trim something. So we do very similar in Office scripts. In Office scripts, how you access it is you go automate and then you go write a new script. And so what I've got here is I have main workbook, and then I'm saying let the worksheet equals data, and that's what I've named my sheet here. And then I'm saying use get range, and so the range is the used range, so it's get used range, and then the row count is how many we have in this used range. And then to loop through the range, I say let range A sheet get range A equals and row count, so that's our last row that we've got there, and get values. And then this is what we're doing, so I'm just trimming and cleaning. Let clean values range, map, and row. And then what we're doing is trimming them. And then I'm showing what the correct values are, and I'm replacing them in there. So to run this, all you do is upward. I've renamed this, and you rename it by clicking here and renaming it because it was script 1. And so now to run it, I hit this arrow here, and it's called run. And now it has cleaned up all the spaces in my column A. So this is how you run Office scripts to create a for loop. Please subscribe.